Hi guys, this is only for my subscribers. I really want to thank you all for subscribing. I haven't uploaded anything in a while, and this is going to be the new format. There is not going to be a lot of visuals. It's going to be mostly sound, and I have a lot of interesting things coming. I'm reading now the new book of Jacques Vallée, Forbidden Science, Scattered Castles. We are going deep. It's going to be very interesting. I'm going to soon upload the video. I found something really cool. And the whole point of this channel is to dig deep, find what's going on, because all those cases of UFOs they're not space aliens. It's something else, which makes the whole thing even more complicated and also more intriguing and interesting. So this is what I'm trying to find out. This is the whole point of the channel. Thank you very much for subscribing, and please help the channel grow by sharing some of the videos on your social media. Thank you.